But I just want to ask you the general question. What do you think, and what do neuroscientists generally think the brain is actually ultimately built to learn and encode?
Yeah. Um, I'm sure it's all of the above. Um, but perhaps I could share what I think might be like one of the more crucial ones. And I think one of the more crucial ones for humans, and we'll see when we get to study this in animals, there's certainly people going that way, is that our brains are very good at making models of the world, kind of like you said, like representations of things outside, making models of the world. But also they're very good at running those models forward in time. In our heads, we can imagine what would happen if I did this or if I did that.
Yeah, mental
Uh,
time travel.
that's right, but into the future.
Mm-hmm.
Because if you can predict how the world is going to react to your actions, you can avoid some of the most costly actions that you could take,
Yeah.
and you could really kind of find or narrow in on what are the good actions that you can take. And I think a lot of that depends on not only on having a model inside of our head of how the world works, but also our ability to kind of it's generative AI, right?
Mm-hmm.
But in our heads, for kind of extrapolating into the future, how the world would change. Um, if we do this or that, or if we don't do anything at all, which is also very much something we do all the time. I think a lot of the knowledge that we transmit abstractly between people, and it's knowledge about how things work. It's knowledge about models of the world. We make models of the world and we transmit it to our children. We transmit them to other members of our tribe. We transmit them through society to our whole thing is to make models and to um, transmit them forward.